What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jasmy, which has hit a green candle, however nowhere near where we want it to be. It is up just over 7% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.027 cents. So as usual, what can we expect from Jasmy over the weekend, rest of January and over the coming months? Has not been performing too well. Yes, it has been hitting green candles in between, but clearly the overall outcome has been more on the negative side. So before I go any further, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So looking at this graph here, we can see that the crypto is still trading in the lower half, as you guys can see, very close to the lower level of the band, the green line here, and it is essentially likely to hit a few more red candles over the weekend. I'm not expecting any major increases in value. I'm expecting more red candles dipping down in value, and when we hit around early to mid next week, essentially the end of January, I'm expecting it to slowly increase in value, heading closer to the blue line here around the 3 cents value is what my current prediction is. However, once it does hit the blue line here, it is unlikely to head over it. It is likely to resist and then drop back down in value to around this current price range of 0.025 cents. So in the first 2 weeks of February, it should essentially trade between this green line and the blue line. So around 0.025 to the 3 cents value, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at before it slowly starts to increase, heading up to 4 cents in late February, early March. However, I will make sure to keep you guys updated before that if there are any major updates, if anything does change as well. And if we do look at the RSI, pretty much the same as yesterday and the last few days, currently at 42.74, meaning no major price movements are predicted from Jasmy at the moment. It is likely to hover around its current price range over the next couple of days and next week or two as well. So zooming into the 4-hour chart here, we can see the crypto has not been performing too well at all. We can see way more red candles than green candles. So essentially guys, yes, it has gone for a minimal pump or increase in value over the last 24 hours, slowly hitting green candles. However, as mentioned, it is likely to dip back down in value, heading closer to 0.025 cents over the weekend before it slowly starts to increase, heading closer to 3 cents towards the end of Jan, early February. So if we bring out the MACD indicator on the 4-hour chart, we can see the MACD line is still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, looking quite bullish, meaning more green days are predicted, as mentioned, towards the end of Jan, early Feb. Heading into the daily chart here, we are not looking too great. We do have the MACD line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are predicted over the coming weeks going into February, March. However, because of the minimal increase in value I'm predicting towards the end of Jan, early Feb, the blue line, the MACD line, should cross over the signal line over the next week or two, which should indicate a bullish movement from Jasmy over the coming weeks and months going into February, March and April. By the end of quarter one, early quarter two, I'm predicting Jasmy to be hovering around the 7 cents value is what my current prediction is, because I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading closer to $125,000 over the next 2 to 3 months, which should have a major bullish impact on the crypto market. But we will have to take it at a slow and steady pace. Dips are always part of the process. Yes, it is part of the process. However, when it keeps dipping, it is quite worrying, exactly like what Jasmy has been doing, as you guys can see here. If we look at this graph, since 6th of December, when the literally dip started, all the way up until now, it has lost 52% of its value, guys. So half of its value has been wiped off in about a month and a half, just over a month, nearly 2 months, guys, which is not looking too great. So a price increase is very well needed for this crypto, more than most cryptos, because other cryptos have slowly started to recover, including Bitcoin, as you guys can see, nearly hitting a new all-time high. Well, it actually did hit a new all-time high about 4 or 5 days ago, and Jasmy has not recovered a single bit since this drop that's been taking place, this price correction. But you should be able to do so over the next 2 to 3 months, as mentioned earlier on in the video. But yeah, that is my prediction on Jasmy, guys. A lot of people have been complaining about Jasmy, that you know it's a dead project, keep dropping, so on and so on. However, I'll still hold on to it, and I will be holding on to it for the long term. I still believe in the project for the long term. Let me know in the comment section down below your predictions and your view on this crypto. what is the highest figure this crypto can hit by mid 2025? Let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.